Dara mabasa aja cakatapaha. That's really easy. Annyeonghaseyo everyone! It's me Tafida. Welcome to my channel, Tafida's World. As you guys know, today I have an interesting video. I think you can see something from my back. It's like a whiteboard, and you can see something is related to Korean, right? So yeah, you got it. This is a class about Korean alphabet. So today we will do something, about Korean language, right? So before starting, I am going to tell that a few days ago I went to Sundarban. I made Sundarban vlog, but there was a video where I made a video like I talked to a Spanish man, but I talked in Korean there I told that I can speak in Korean. So that's true, I can speak in Korean. So then there are some people who really want to learn Korean, but they doesn't know the step or how would they learn the Korean. They cannot find the videos or the right thing. So stay with me. From today I will start teaching you this Korean. So yeah, stay with me and inshallah you will learn Korean. So yeah, without further talking, let's go on to the video. So today we can see this is Korean alphabet. So this alphabet is Hangul. So yeah, there's an important point. In Korean there is two parts. One is consonants, another is vowels. So only these two. So today in this video we will learn consonants. So there are 14 consonants. These are all the 14 consonants. It's really different from your language. So, but stay with me. We will gonna learn Korean very easily, right? So in this video, I will show how to memorize these consonants very easily. So this is pronounced g, n, d, r, m, b, s, j, ch, k, t, p, h. Again, g, n, d, r, m, b, s, j, ch, k, t, p, h. So this is really hard. In my video, we will learn English to Korean. So under the Korean word or alphabet, I'm gonna write the English letter or word. So now I'm going to write the English letter under the alphabet. So let's write. So I think this will be more easier. Don't skip this video. The interesting part is coming soon. Let's read the alphabet again. G, n, d, l, m, b, s, j, ch, k, t, p, h. I'm gonna show you a tip. So when I learned Korean, I didn't memorize these letters like this. I followed one tip. So the tip is there is a vowel. So among them, we will take one of the vowel and place it all, and it will make it easier. So I'm gonna show. Okay. So the vowel is this thing. A. It's pronounced a. A. So we will place this a to every of the letters beside this letter, and then we were gonna read that it's gonna be a chant. Okay. Place this a to g, n, d, l, b, s, okay, and then gonna be easier, okay? Let's place. And if we read it all, it's gonna be like a chant. So listen. Kanadara mabasa aja chakatapaha. So it's gonna be like Kanadara mabasa aja chakatapaha. Kanadara mabasa aja chakatapaha. So that's easy. If you just memorize this chant, then all of the letters gonna be in your head really easily. I'm gonna read a little slower. Kana dara mabasa aja chakatapaha. Kana dara mabasa aja chakatapaha. So now I'm gonna read a little faster. Khana dala mabasa aja chakat tapaha. Again. Khana dala mabasa aja chakat tapaha. Memorizing is gonna be really easy. So take a copy, take a pen, and start writing with me because this is really important. When we learn the consonants, we will stop by saying k, n, d, h, m, b, s, j, ch, k, t, p, h. We will stop this. Instead, we will learn this chant to memorize the consonants easily, which is kana dara mabasa aja chakatapaha. This is really easy. And you will repeat and repeat this video so that so more you listen, the more quicker it will go to your head. So feel free to repeat my video, and you can make your own recording or watch my video again. See you on the next video. On the next video, I will teach you vowels. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel, give a like and share this video. Bye.